Today's episode is brought to you by Cha Cafe, introducing the story of the legendary cheesesteak fries. Our adventure begins with a dance, a bowl, and a flip only Salt Bae could appreciate. Tossed into a signature basket and drenched with the most delicious Cha Cafe secret sauce and topped with some of the most mouth-watering cheeses known to man. But where's the meat, you ask? Well, prepared only with the finest and freshest of ingredients, mixed and pan-fried into perfection. And voila! Cha Cafe cheesesteak fries.